I'm in Eutaw, Alabama, where a tornado warning has just been issued with a supercell off to the southwest with very rapidly tightening rotation. It looks like it could produce a tornado at any time right on approach here to the I-20 corridor near the Eutaw area, just to the southwest of Tuscaloosa. And there's actually two tornado-warned storms down here on the tail end of this prefrontal confluence line. Both of them have tornado warnings. One of them is just to the east of Meridian. That one, rotation is also tightening. You can see the lightning above me coming out of this storm. Lightning frequency has been ramping up. And we are right along a differential heating boundary. Rain-cooled air to the north, warm, unstable air off to the south. And this storm looks like it's going to anchor right along this boundary and potentially produce one or maybe more tornadoes as it moves east-northeast